Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever, and I know I look super weird right now, and I probably sound super weird right now, currently, because of the weather. But we are gonna start off a series for Halloween finally, starting off by doing Madame Leota from the Haunted Mansion. As you guys know, I went to Disney a couple years ago, and I've been itching to kind of actually do her as a character. So we're finally gonna get into it and do it. Go in with a super light base, so I'm going to be using my Mehron water activated palette. I know it looks a little miffed up. I'm going to take the white, and then I'll probably go into my pastel palette and mix a little bit of blue into it. I'm going to take the light blue in my Mehron pastel palette and kind of try and just evenly give myself not a contour, but something close enough to not have a full white exposure, I guess. And I'm not going to take a lot of it. I'm just going to take it enough that it's wet enough on the brush that it just shows up, and which is what I really like about the pastel palettes. Nice for subtle colors like this. I like to go in with like a colored pencil liner if I have one, and then do a shadow because it sticks in my eyebrows better than anything else anyway. So I'm going to take my Sinful Colors Dare to Stare liner in 1029 Bewitching. It's really pretty blue color. I used it for a lot of Mackenzie's memorial races. And then I'm going to go in with the Profusion Spectrum palette with this shade Nautical right here. It's this dark blue color. First, we're going to lay down a base for our eyes, just like I always do in every one of my videos. I'm going to take the Maybelline Color Tattoo in Too Cool. I think that's what's called now. I'm going to go in with Bermuda, which is that lighter blue, and I'm going to do this up a little more towards my eyebrow. Go in with a little darker color. We're going to go back in with Nautical. Is this really dark color, and Showtime is this blue color I have. So we're going to do Showtime first, and then we're going to go in with 12 a.m. We're gonna go in with 12 a.m. This is actually gonna go, and we're gonna go up and around. So you're gonna go in where your nose bone is, and then just go around. No, I'm not really sure if she wears liner. I know she's got some really thick eyelashes, and I have long lashes, but I'm not putting on thick eyelashes. So to make my eyelashes look thicker, I'm gonna put some eyeliner on. Okay, so depending on the reference picture you see of her, she's either got black lips or she's got really dark blue lips. So I'm gonna go in with a mix of these. This is the Broadway Colors True Matte Lipstick in 17 Dolphin, and the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild in Icing on the Wall. I actually really like this. It kind of looks like a blue jean color. Does not stay on very well, unfortunately. So I'm gonna go in with this kind of as like a liner base, and then go in with that on top instead of using a liner itself. Alright, so now it's wig time. I kind of look like the Joker. I feel like I look like the Joker, only in blue. So we're gonna take our trusty dusty wig, and with the wig on, you're done. This is just kind of a cheap Walmart wig, as I said. It goes with the color really well, and if you're planning on doing the headless floating head thing, it'll work out really well. But if you guys like this tutorial, please check out the rest of my channel, The Reject Queen. If you guys want to stalk me anywhere else on social media, my Instagram and Facebook are below, both at The Reject Queen. I also have my art page, Eye of the Night Art, where I sell a lot of fun stuff, so feel free to go check that out. Be sure to stay tuned for more Halloween videos. I'm planning on getting some more done. But this is my Madame Leota. I know this didn't stand very well, but that's my skin problem, so it happens. So let me know if you guys have a better chance with it, and let me see your recreations. I'll see you guys in the next video.